Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to change the sleep time on your Mac for recent versions of macOS. First, go ahead and open up System Settings. Then look for the lock screen section. Once you're here, you'll see two options. The first one is Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive. This is the setting for how long your Mac stays awake when it's not plugged in. Below that is Turn Display Off on Power Adapter when inactive. This sets the time before your screen locks and goes to sleep when you are plugged into a charger. Usually, you'll want to keep the time shorter when you're on battery and set it to a longer duration when you're plugged in. Just click right here and choose the time that works best for you. Now, aside from that method, if you want to temporarily disable sleep mode completely, you can use Terminal with a single command called Caffeinate. Here is how you do it. Open up your Terminal app using Spotlight. Type in Caffeinate, then hit the return key. Now, you can minimize this window. Just make sure you don't close the Terminal app completely. As long as it is running, your Mac will stay awake and won't go into sleep mode. To exit this mode, just press Ctrl-C. Your Mac will then go back to using the sleep settings we configured earlier in the system settings. If you want to dive deeper into the Caffeinate command, you can check out the video I've linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.